In today's video, I will guide you on how to change text size on Snapchat. So as you can see, this is my text size on Snapchat. To change this, to make it either bigger or smaller, this is what you can do. First of all, open up the Snapchat app, then close it and navigate to your phone settings. Alright, open up your phone settings, scroll all the way till you find Control Center and tap on it. In the Control Center page, you can see the text size, you tap on it. Alright, after that, close the settings page and go to your Snapchat app again to open it. Then scroll downward and tap on the 2A option. As you can see, if it's in all apps, select Snapchat only, and this is the way you can change the text size on Snapchat. You can increase the slider to make it bigger. Alright, let's check it. In the Snapchat app, you can see it's very big. You can tap on it again, reduce the slider to make it smaller. Let's confirm this, and as you can see, it's now small. So you can only select it for Snapchat only if you want it for Snapchat. If you want it for all the apps, you select all apps, and that is it, guys. It's very easy. I hope this video helped you. If it does, please like this video and subscribe to TechSub YouTube channel. Bye guys.